Welcome to Bikesphere, the ultimate destination for motorcycle enthusiasts, where we explore the legends of the past and the machines shaping the future. Today, we take a thrilling ride into the world of two-stroke nostalgia fused with modern technology, the 2026 Honda NSR500 V3. This bike marks the return of a legendary name with a futuristic twist, designed for riders who crave racing heritage, raw performance, and cutting-edge innovation. The return of a legend. The original Honda NSR500 dominated Grand Prix racing in the late 80s and 90s, earning legendary status among riders and fans alike. It was a symbol of speed, power, and precision, a machine that shaped the world of two-stroke racing. Now, decades later, Honda revives this icon as the 2026 NSR500 V3, bringing back the spirit of the track while packing it with modern-day engineering brilliance and eco-conscious performance upgrades. Design. The 2026 NSR500 V3 stays true to its racing DNA with an aggressive, track-inspired design. Sleek, aerodynamic fairings channel airflow efficiently, while the sharp tail section and sculpted fuel tank reflect Honda's signature racing style. Carbon fiber panels, integrated winglets, and a redesigned chassis make the bike lighter and more stable at high speeds, delivering both performance and visual appeal. LED lighting and a futuristic digital cockpit give it the perfect balance between retro heritage and modern innovation. The V3 powerhouse, modern two-stroke engineering. At the heart of this machine lies the V3 two-stroke engine, a re-engineered marvel delivering blistering performance while meeting strict emission regulations. Producing around 180 horsepower in a lightweight package, the 2026 NSR500 V3 offers explosive acceleration and razor-sharp throttle response. Honda has integrated advanced fuel injection and oil management systems, making it cleaner, more efficient, and surprisingly rider-friendly compared to the raw, temperamental race bikes of the past. Advanced electronics and rider aids. Unlike its purely mechanical ancestors, the 2026 NSR500 V3 embraces modern electronics to give riders both performance and safety. The bike comes with multiple riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and a launch control system for track use. A next-gen quickshifter and ride-by-wire throttle ensure seamless gear changes and precise power delivery, while electronic suspension adjustment lets riders fine-tune handling for the street or circuit with a few button presses. Lightweight chassis and racing dynamics. The NSR500 V3 is built around a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame that combines rigidity with agility. The central mass design and low center of gravity give the bike exceptional handling characteristics, allowing riders to attack corners with confidence. High-performance Brembo brakes and adjustable all-in suspension components provide the stopping power and control expected from a bike wearing the NSR name. Digital cockpit and connectivity. For the first time in NSR history, the 2026 model features a fully digital TFT display with real-time telemetry, lap timing, and smartphone integration. Riders can monitor engine performance, tire pressure, and lean angles directly on the dash. Honda has even introduced optional augmented reality helmet compatibility, projecting key data into the rider's visor for a true racing experience on the road or track. Eco-friendly performance innovations. Two-stroke bikes were once notorious for their emissions, but Honda's engineers have reimagined the NSR500 V3 with eco-conscious technology. Advanced combustion systems, synthetic fuels, and emission-reducing exhaust designs ensure the bike meets modern environmental standards without sacrificing the soul-stirring power band and signature two-stroke sound that fans love. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda NSR500 V3 represents more than just a motorcycle, it's a celebration of racing heritage fused with futuristic engineering. From its featherweight chassis and screaming V3 engine to its modern electronics and eco-friendly innovations, it offers riders the thrill of classic two-stroke performance in a machine built for the future. It's a dream come true for enthusiasts who grew up idolizing the original NSR500 and a thrilling new chapter for Honda's racing legacy. Outro. That concludes our in-depth look at the 2026 Honda NSR500 V3. Here at Bikesphere, we bring you the La. Welcome back to Bikesphere, the ultimate destination for motorcycle enthusiasts who live and breathe two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650, a bike that's set to redefine the adventure touring segment with its perfect balance of power, agility, and cutting-edge technology. A legacy reborn. The Africa Twin name has always carried a legendary reputation in the world of adventure motorcycles. From dominating the rugged terrains of the Dakar Rally to becoming a global favorite for long-distance touring, the Africa Twin represents reliability, performance, and adventure spirit. With the 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650, Honda aims to deliver all the adventure-ready DNA of its bigger siblings but in a more compact, lighter, and accessible package. Design and styling. The first thing that stands out about the Africa Twin 650 is its design. Honda has crafted this bike with a rugged yet modern aesthetic. The front fascia carries the aggressive LED headlamps with integrated DRLs, giving it that signature Africa Twin look. Slim bodywork, a tall windscreen, and a muscular fuel tank all hint at its touring capability while keeping the design sharp and functional. Honda has also introduced a range of new color schemes inspired by rally bikes, including the classic tricolor option. It's clear that the Africa Twin 650 is designed to look equally at home on city streets, open highways, and off-road trails. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650 lies a newly developed 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. Tuned for adventure touring, this motor delivers a perfect balance between low-end torque for off-road riding and smooth high-end performance for long-distance cruising. Honda engineers have focused on refining the throttle response and fuel efficiency, making this engine both powerful and practical. Riders can expect around 70 to 75 horsepower, which is ideal for tackling a wide range of terrains without feeling overwhelming for new adventure riders. Additionally, Honda continues to offer its dual-clutch transmission (DCT) option alongside a standard manual gearbox, giving riders flexibility based on their riding preferences. Chassis and suspension built for all terrains. Adventure touring demands a capable chassis, and the Africa Twin 650 doesn't disappoint. Built on a lightweight yet strong frame, the bike gets long-travel suspension for superior off-road performance. The Showa suspension setup offers adjustability, while the spoked wheels wrapped in dual-purpose tires ensure confidence across tarmac, gravel, and sand. The ground clearance has been optimized for off-road trails, while the seat height is designed to remain approachable for a wide range of riders, something many taller adventure bikes often struggle with. Technology and features. Modern adventure machine. Honda has packed the Africa Twin 650 with a host of modern features. A full-color TFT display with smartphone con.